Hello my dear students, welcome back to the online classes of St. Joseph's Academy for class 5th, subject Social Studies, lesson 5, Evolution of Communication, part 3, prepared by Durga Thapa. My dear students, in this lesson we have studied what is evolution and what is communication and what is the evolution of communication. And we also studied about what was the need for writing in the ancient time and how the pigeons were used as means of communication in the early time. Then we have studied what are the features of a good communication system? What qualities a good communication system should have? Okay. Next, we came to know that communication can be categorized into two groups. The first one is personal communication and the second one is mass communication. Now students, in the previous video 1 and video 2 of lesson number 5, the reading and the explanation is over. Now in this video part 3, we will proceed our exercises. We are going to solve it, we are going to discuss it, and then we will find out the answers together. Okay. So students, first of all, we will start with the question answers. Question number B, answer the following questions. Now here the first question is, write in brief about the following. Now here a topic is given and we have to write down a brief of it. Okay. So the first one is need for writing. What was the need of writing in the ancient time? Okay. So can you tell me what was the need for writing in the previous time, in the ancient time? Yes. Yes, very good. The answer is the development of writing came into existence due to practical demands. So the need for writing was because of the practical demands like maintaining financial accounts, exchanging information, codifying laws, and recording history. Next topic is use of pigeons. Now here we have to write down about the brief of the use of pigeons. So can you tell me anything about the use of pigeons? Yes, very good. Prior to the modern methods and means of communication like the Wi-Fi's, computer, laptops, the pigeons were used to carry messages, and due to their natural homing abilities, pigeons were very effective as messengers. So that is why the pigeons were used as the means of communication for carrying the messages. Okay. In the lesson, we have discussed the feature of a good communication system. So yes, here comes the question on the features of a good communication system. The question is, what are the features of a good communication system? So you have to tell me the features of a good communication system. So one by one you can tell me the points. Yes, the first point is it unites people and creates awareness. The first point is it unites people and create awareness. Second point is, yes, it has various means and modes of communication like audio, video, print, etc. So number 2 is it has various means and modes of communication. So number 3, The good feature is it sends and receives messages. Okay, so the third feature is it sends and receives messages. Here comes the question number 3. What do you mean by personal communication? Yes, what do you mean by personal communication? So, can you please give me the answers? Yes, at least you should try. We have studied about the personal communication in this chapter. Yes, very good. Personal communication includes letters, telephone or mobile conversation, memos, personal interviews, along with some electronic communication, that is email. Okay. So what do you mean by personal communication? Personal communication includes letters, telephone or mobile conversation, memos, personal interviews, along with some electronic communication, that is email. Okay. Now students, next comes a very easy question, that is give examples of the mass communication. So one by one you can give me the examples, only one examples each student. Okay, yes, print media, yes, next one is radio, yes, cinema, television, and yes, internet also. So the answer is print media. The examples of the mass communication are, yes, print media, radio, cinema, television, and internet are the examples of mass communication. Print media, radio, cinema, television, and internet are the examples of the mass communication. Yes. Yes, students. The last question is, how do satellites help us in our daily life? Yes. At least you can try for the answer. Yes, very good. Point number A is, satellites help us to communicate within seconds. Okay. Satellites help us to communicate within seconds through the towers, through the mobile phones, through the internet. Okay. So number 2 is, yes, the second point is satellites help us to forecast about weather and climate. So weather forecast and the climate forecast is only possible through the satellites. Okay. Next exercise, question number C is write true or false. So here some sentences are given and we have to write down true or false for the sentence. Okay. The first sentence is, writing is a powerful medium of communication. So what do you think, students? Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. So the answer is, writing is a powerful medium of communication. This sentence is true. Okay. Number 2. What is the number 2? Yes. Julius Caesar used pigeons as messenger in his conquest of America. Is it true or false? Yes, it is false. Why it is false? Because Julius Caesar used pigeons as messenger in his conquest of Gaul. It's not America, but it was Gaul. Yes. So the sentence is false. Julius Caesar used pigeons as messenger in his conquest of America. That is false sentence. Okay. Yes. The next sentence is, PIN code number is necessary on a letter to reach the right address. Is it true or false? PIN code number is necessary. Yes, very good. The answer is true. Yes, because in this lesson we have studied that PIN code number is necessary on a letter to reach the right address, because they are the because of the PIN code numbers only the bundles are made up for sending the letters to the other places. Okay. Yes. Number 4 sentence. Telephone is the slowest means of communication. Is it true or false? Yes, this is a false sentence. Why this is false? Because telephone is the fastest means of communication but not slowest. So this sentence is false. Telephone is the slowest means of communication. Yes, next one, next sentence. The internet is accessible to the general public via modem. Yes, it is true. Yes, we all are able to use the internet through the modem only. So, the internet is accessible to the general public via modem. This is true sentence. Next exercise is fill in the blanks. So here comes the first sentence. Communication refers to the exchange of ideas and dash. Okay students, now tell me fast. What is communication? Yes, communication refers to the exchange of ideas and thoughts. Yes, this is the correct answer. Thoughts. Communication refers to the exchange of ideas and thoughts. Yes. Number 2, the method of carrying messages by pigeon is termed as the dash. So, what will be the answer? The method of carrying messages by pigeon is termed as, yes, very good. It is known as pigeon post. It is known as pigeon post. Yes. Yes. The third sentence is cinema is one of the most powerful dash means. Yes, cinema is a means of communication. So what type of means of communication is this? Yes, very good. Cinema is one of the most powerful audio-visual means. That is a means of communication. Okay, next question, next sentence is Doordarshan began its service in dash. Now students, hurry up, tell me. The answer is Doordarshan began its service in 1959. Yes. So the last sentence is satellites help us to forecast about weather and dash. Yes, very good. All the students knew the answer now. Yes, satellites help us to forecast about weather and climate. Now students, the last question of this lesson is match the following. Now students, first of all I am reading the question. The Mughal rulers used pigeons as public postal service was started in. Number 3, speed post service was started in. Gutenberg was a, and Doordarshan started colored telecast in. Okay, and the column B is 1837. Number B, messengers. Number C, German printer. D is 1982 and E is 1986. Now we are going to match it. The first sentence, the Mughal rulers used pigeons as messengers. Yes, very good. The Mughal rulers used pigeons as messengers, termed as pigeon post. Yes. The public postal service was started in India in 1837. Yes. Public postal service was started in India in 1837. Speed post service was started in 1986. It was started so late. Yes. Speed post service was started in 1986. Okay. Gutenberg was a German printer. Gutenberg was a German printer and who is the inventor of the print media, that is newspaper. Next one is Doordarshan started color telecast in 1982. Yes, Doordarshan started color telecast in 1982. Thank you, my dear students, for watching the video so attentively. Thank you again. Have a nice day.